everyone, can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? Hello, hi. Hi. I just randomly opened the live stream. I'm at home. Currently, I'm in Beijing right now. Hello, everyone. Hi. And do you guys know what this one is? This one is wrapped by leaves and also wrapped by strings. This one is one of the traditional Chinese snack called zongzi. I wrote this word in the description of how to say this. 粽子. Yes, 晚上好, good evening. It's 7:25 p.m. in Beijing, and we're about to have a dinner. It's only me here. My roommates went back home. Do you know why? Because recently, I guess tomorrow is the Dragon Boat festival, and this festival is special for we have 3 days off, but actually we only have 1 day off because Saturday, Sunday, and Monday we have 1 day more plus the weekend, so we have a 3 day straight vacation. People just went back home. Hello, yes. I'm kind of lazy right now to do the live stream because Beijing is really, really, really hot. I wish to go outside to do the live stream. However, it is really hot, too hot, 38 degrees, 38 Celsius. Hello, Jomar. Hello, 你好, 你好. Yes, back to the festival, the Dragon Boat Festival. Reopen the border. I guess we are about to reopen the border, I think, because everyone in China is requested to do the vaccine, and I feel like this is not the way to block, everyone. We have the vaccination. Yes, 粽子. Yeah, correct. For Far Rock bin Abdu. This one is correct. This one is, yes, it is glutinous rice dumplings. Hello for friends from South Africa. Yes, this was 粽子. So what is the Dragon Boat Festival? And tomorrow I will have the video. I just recorded a video and I will upload it tomorrow, talking about the history, the Chinese pronunciation of the Dragon Boat Festival. It's 端午节. Right? The Chinese pronunciation is killing you. 端午节. Dragon Boat Festival. And 粽子. ZOOM, Zoom, something like that. 粽子. This one is 粽子. So Dragon Boat Festival is actually a festival to commemorate a nation Chinese patriotic points. It's called Qu Yuan. He committed suicide into the river, and so people use 粽子and also the dragon boat to commemorate him. And so one of the conventions is doing it is a public holiday. So tomorrow, so we have 3 days off, and this is why. Really, my accent has been changed to what? Really? So I'm gonna cook this. This is made of the sticky rice and also some we have called 馅儿, which is a filling. The dumplings, baozi, something like that in Chinese food. They have some fillings inside. And for 粽子, we have so many different fillings, and the most common one is red beans, and for some sweetness, and also some meat, and also some egg yellow. These are really? The size of the rice glutinous dumpling is biggest than now. Really? Well, this one is small. This is a small one. I think this is a regular one. I've seen a smaller one, and I've seen bigger one. 端午, it's not 端游 festival. It's called 端午 festival. 端午 festival. Yes, I think it's because I should review the history. It's because the emperor at that time blamed him of his betrayal, but he didn't. So it's basically he committed suicide to prove that he loves his country. No. I haven't been to Nepal. I really wish. So I'm gonna cook this house. First, change the water. So you have to steam. To steam this, use the water, and you can also just put it in the boiling water. I will show you how to cook. Do you guys have steamers at home? This one steamer, you put some water in there. You put some water in there and you have it like this and put the stones in there. Hold on a second. 我很好. It's about 10 minutes, I guess. So I can talk to you guys about 10 minutes. Yes. So I switch this and to 10 minutes and 10 minutes later and it's done. So I can briefly talk to you guys. 我很好. How are you guys doing? It's actually really, really hot in Beijing. I'm currently at home. It's really, really hot in Beijing. And my dog not even lying on the sofa. Yes, I'm gonna eat that one. And I'm gonna tell you guys if it's good or not. I feel like I'm a food blogger and I always like show you guys about, you know, Chinese food and everything. How hot is it? About what? The 粽子. Just how you steamer. Like you probably need to boil the water and use the steam to cook that well. And it's hot. Yes, it's sometimes hot. You have to use chopsticks. I have an allergy. How's the weather here? Here is super, super, super hot. It's like 30, 38 something degree. It's really hot. 好吃吗? 好吃吗 is it good? Does it taste good? 好吃吗? Like 好吃means it's good. It tastes really good. 好吃 literally it means good eat. Good eat. So 好吃吗? Yummy. 好吃 is yummy. Is it good? 好吃吗? Oh yeah, I do have a tattoo and I have a tattoo on both arms. These are my cats. I have tattoo. It's raining there. Well, today it also rains, but still it's really hot. It's like rains with a degree of the 30, 38 something. Xi'an, yes, I've been there. Xi'an is a really, really, really good, really good place. Hello, John Low. It's been a long time to see you around. Xi'an is a really good place. Because I just love carbohydrates, like the noodles, something, and Xi'an it has a lot. Well, I haven't traveled to anywhere because first, there are some new cases raised in Guangzhou province, COVID-19, and it just like it's highly suggest you not to go around. And again, and like because my roommates they went back home to spend some time with their family, so nobody traveled with me like to any other city. So I just stayed in Beijing, and my mom came here like we went to the dog park. Hello. How many tattoos? I have 4. Like 1, 2, and this one here is called Stay True, and another one on my back. It's a flower. You can see it from my photos. 我也想说中文. I will mix with Chinese and English because I think most of my fans, they're not really fluent in Chinese. If you comment in Chinese, I will reply you in Chinese. No, I don't have a boyfriend. Do you know Ahmed? No. Who's that? Or where is that? Hello. It's not a new tattoo. It's all the tattoo I got from like 2 or 3 years ago. 没有化妆品. No cosmetics. No, I'm not married. Yes, the Dragon Boat for Britney, it's a Dragon Boat Festival. Oh, really? My Instagram is on my page. You can find the link of my Instagram on my Facebook page. It's called Learning Chinese with Vika, and you have the little hyphen there. Learning Chinese with Vika. Or you can just try to search Vika. I speak 3 languages. Chinese, English, and Korean. I'm not alone. See? My cat. And yes, right here, my dog. It's too hot. They don't move. You want to hear some Korean? 안녕하세요. 저는 피카입니다. 중국어 가르치고 있어요. It's been a long time that I speak Korean. Oh, really? Is one of the crazy person in the world? Can you let me know? Oh, thank you, Brittany. Yes, my account is basically teach you some simple daily conversation about Chinese. Simi, you know Simi. Simi is in Beijing right now. Simi will finish her shooting tomorrow, and I will meet her. And maybe I will have a live stream with her. So you guys can see Simi. We actually keep in touch a lot. That was a good trip, and we're all Aries. Like we, you know, the constellation, we're all Aries. So we're like talk every day. My dog name is Nar. Thank you. You're from Algeria. Thank you for loving. Okay, Nar. I just called his name and he just called. Say hi. 你要粽子，好呀，去买粽子。Thank you, probably because I lost weight. 那儿，金格里亚，握握手，你是我的好狗狗。啊。Oh. Yep. Because I wrote Chinese since I was young, and yes, it does take us a lot of time, like 6 years to know how to write Chinese. 我很好，我在北京。No, I'm not gonna give. Yes, it's a Dalmatian dog. It's Dalmatian. Oh, really? Say hi to your daughter. Hello, the 2 years old lovely daughter who's learning Chinese or watching my live with me. No, I haven't taken the vaccine because as you can hear, I have like the runny nose. I'm allergic to so many things. I think I have a 30 something I'm allergic to, and I just recommend now to, or just wait them to, to do more tests on people who have serious allergy. I wish you were my dog. 你好，大娃 Is that right? 可以啊，我可以说中文。我会中文、英文一起说。Well, Jupiter is still sick. She is in my room. She's still sick. I will take her to the hospital tomorrow. So sad. Hello, sweet everyone. Hey, everyone.
Just wait a little more, and I think my 粽子 will get ready. And I will.我在北京. I'm at home. I'm in Beijing. I'm at home. Is there any new people? 中文说什么？中文说什么？说你们的名字吗？说名字吗？ I don't know when. I'm also waiting for that day because I really wanna go abroad, no matter to Pakistan, Nepal, Philippines, Singapore. I really want to travel. I really want to. Hi, for the big fan. I'm a big fan. You're a big fan. For Paya Dia. I'm so sorry if I couldn't read your name correctly. Oh, thank you. Her twin brother. You got a twin. Oh my god. That's so cute. To see the word China. Really? It's so cute. Oh, for Brittany, you're new? Yes, you can always check back on my page to see the videos. I have so many videos before talking about different conversation, different topics, and you can always, or you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, and there are more like online courses, about 5 minutes long video, and you can just watch the video and learn. 我养走子 actually, I don't know. Can you? Well, that's not a correct expression in Chinese. Malaysia, definitely. 你的名字我不知道你的名字怎么读 I don't know how to pronounce your name correctly. Can you send me in pinyin about how to pronounce your name? Well, I've never been to Japan. I wish. The thing is, I'm kind of afraid to go there because I don't know any word of Japanese. And I've heard that Japanese people are not really good in English, I guess. So I'm just so afraid to, go to Japan. And I wish if I know some, Japanese friend, I can go visit them. I'm good, Kim. Okay, let me check. My food is ready or not. I think my food is getting ready. Ah, so hot. It's really hot. Let me lower the camera, okay? Well, yes. But I'm not really work from home. I don't really have a work. You have to... Okay. Do you guys see the leaves? Just unwrap it. This is the special leaves to wrap 粽子. I'm making the glutinous sticky rice 粽子. Yes, I'm thinking about go with Sydney. We actually talk about the thing, but the thing is the border is not open yet. So Sydney can't really go back, and I can't really go with Sydney. I'm talking about that thing. By the way, I think Sydney is not really good in Japanese. She said that because she was born in Brazil. Definitely, I want to meet you, Vivian. My son, he hates learning Chinese. Oh, her mom's from Guangzhou, really? See, this is 粽子 made with sticky rice. I will talk to you about how to make your son love Chinese. Well, you know what? I don't think kids love their language. But if he's very young, you can try to speak to him with both languages, and in order to get the things he wants. Like you ask him, you can go play in English, and you ask his mom to say, 你可以去玩 in Chinese. And he has to accept both ways of you guys talking English and Chinese. In order, it's not like making him love Chinese. I think it's just really hard to make a kid to love a language, but you can make him get used to hearing two languages. Oh, really? It's your first time watching? I'm just gonna get a little, oops, because I want to show you guys how to eat 粽子. No, that's not 种子. For Randy, you are typing seed, 种, which is ZH, but this one is 粽子, which is ZONG without the H. I'm wishing to meet one of my fans, and maybe we can do the live together to teach you. See? This is a rice. This is a sticky rice. Oh, you are in South Africa for Brainy? Yeah, definitely. See, this is a sticky rice. A stick in my teeth. If you see here, oh, that's the filling, which is the sweet 枣. This is the fillings, like the red beans, to make that sweet. We have sweet 粽子 and salt 粽子. For salt 粽子is mostly about like meat. 好吃, 好吃. It's actually make you really full because sticky rice is gonna take so much space in your stomach. Oh, really? Yeah, I love that dumpling. Oh, thank you. Yes, I'm in China. I'm in Beijing at home. The taste is sweet. It's mostly the ribbing. And or in Beijing, I guess it's only in Beijing. For the older generation, Canada, I went there before. For older generation, they only have the plain zones, which only sticky rice, and they stick with the sugar, the sugar. See how sticky the rice are, and these are the red beans. For Brainy, if you want to come to China to teach English, the filling is red beans. You're gonna have so much high paid. You will be really, really respected in China because, you know, for all the foreign English teacher, they are so welcomed in most Asian countries, especially in South Korea, in China. And there are so many study organizations, no matter for school, for like official middle school, high school, or for some extra like the learning institution, you will be really, really welcomed and respected, and you will get high paid. And that was a really good career because all the parents, they want the native speaker, like, you know, with the foreign looking to teach their kids. The red beans and the sticky rice. No, I haven't. For India, yes. I really want to go to India. That's enough for today's dinner. Yes, it's my dinner. Sticky rice really make you feel full. The red beans. A bag of sticky rice. Probably you don't know how to cook with sticky rice, right? I don't know either. I only know 粽子. That's, cook with sticky rice. It looks like rice, right? Like in the bowl. The maximum of zongs I can eat is 2 because it's gonna be really full. Yeah, definitely, you can ask the question. We use forks with fruits, and definitely if we have some, steak, we use forks. And we do use spoons for soup. For soup and sometimes for rice. Like you use the spoon to eat everything. But mostly we use chopsticks. Really, it makes you hungry? How sticky they are! You're going to have a dinner with a Chinese friend? Good night, Jomar. Good night. 晚安. For Chinese, it's 晚安. Good night. Yes, come and eat with me. I just want to show you how sticky it is. Really? For Su Badass Panda, you like my travel vlogs? I love Tibet. It's a really nice place, and I just highly recommend all of you guys to visit there. It's really good. Yep. Oh, you're getting married in December? 新婚快乐, happy marriage. Well, I was crying a lot when I hear the daddy of the groom, right? Of my bestie, and he's like, the first one who kissed her is not you. The first one who hugged her is not you, but you are the one who's gonna spend a life with my daughter. Oh my god, I'm like, oh my god, I can't stand cry. Temperature is 38 Celsius, I guess. How to use chopsticks? Let's see. I'm not really good at using chopsticks, and I guess 30% of Chinese people don't know, but they can still, hold foods. See? You have 3 fingers on the top. Your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger. And you have this one is stay. You only move that one. Where did you see the Chinese people hate the black? Because I feel like that's one of the misunderstanding or stereotypes. Well, I just feel like discriminations happen everywhere, and you can't really see, if you see one case of the discrimination and you just say, everyone is discriminated in China. Yes, I can pick up the peanuts, definitely. But I don't have peanut to try. The Euro time, 12 a.m. 你好. I can also pick up the beans. Where is that place? I haven't heard this place. You're eating your snacks. Let's eat together. because it's dinner time in China, in Beijing. Why not? I can send you the full pack of zongs, not only leftovers. It's not applied to send leftover. No, not for mustard seed. No, too small. It's smaller than the top of the chopsticks. It's really hard to pick a grain of rice. It's really hard because it's smaller than the top of the chopstick. Honestly, I don't like eat the rice dumplings, just because it make me so full. I only have this one, the smaller one I showed you in the beginning of the video, and I'm already full now. It depends where you eat in Beijing. We have some cheap food, but I think generally food in Beijing is like more expensive than in the small cities because Beijing is like big city. Just like how the restaurant in New York is like much more expensive, you know. Egg yolk rice. The ingredients only sticky rice and red beans, and maybe some sugars because it's really sweet. You're from the Cape Town of South Africa. My Euro time, 9 a.m. Oh yeah. For some they put salt, but because this one zong is sweet, so they don't put salt there. 你想吃什么？我想吃面条 noodles 面条。Oh, you only 2 fingers? Like this? Like this? It's easier? Some of people use that, but it's okay. Only if you can pick up things. Like, I'm not really good at using chopsticks, and my father tried to correct me, and my mom's like, okay, only if she can pick up things, you don't need to correct her. I do agree with you. I just feel like, I have experienced discrimination in the States as well. Well, as you know, as a nation, we do experience some discriminations, but I just feel like for those people who are not really educated, they will discriminate people. Just don't discriminate people on, you know, nationalities, skin colors, and even hair colors. It's just really dumb. Hello, Maria from Philippines. Hello. 谢谢，你是很漂亮. Usually you don't say 你是很漂亮, like even, you know, it's you are beautiful, but in Chinese you can just say you very beautiful. 你很漂亮，你很漂亮。你多大了？ I'm 25， 我25。Chopstick? Well, I feel like you're gonna have so much fun when you use a chopstick and successfully pick up something, and you will so satisfied with yourself with chopstick pick up everything. How do I spend my day? I will watch TV, play games, and record videos. 我之前在美国上学，所以我英文很好。Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. I will just answer more questions, and I'm about to end the live stream because I finished eating. Good morning. It's morning there. Greeting everyone, 你好, 你好. Or if you want to greet everyone, like, see, there's so many people, you can say 大家好, 大家好, 大家好. Jet Li? No. Sometimes, yeah. I do eat green vegetables. I'm a huge fan. Chu I don't know how to read that word. That's not pinyin. Oh, you're also trying to learn how to use chopsticks. Maybe I can have a video teach you guys how to use chopsticks. Well, I'm not really professional. Oh, thank you. Yes, I ate. Well, I have a little leftover because I'm really full. Yep, it's already 8 p.m. I guess I'm ready. I'm gonna end the live stream. 今天天气怎么样? Wow, that was a correct sentence. 今天很热，今天非常热，今天很热。Today is very hot. 今天很热。Play basketball? Not really. So I'm about to end, and later I'm gonna upload this video on my YouTube. And for those who didn't catch this, and you can rewatch it from YouTube. And also it's a time for me to cook for my pets. Bye bye. 再见. See you next time. 你好.